Have You Ever by me, Javier Molina. Have you ever gotten on a train? Have you ever been to the beach? Have you ever sung in front of a crowd? Have you ever ridden a horse? Have you ever been to Disney World? Have you ever tried Chinese food? Have you ever fired a weapon? Have you ever burped in public? Have you ever been on a plane? Have you ever gotten stitches? Have you ever been arrested? Have you ever gone surfing? Have you ever been shoplifting? Have you ever gone hunting? Have you ever chipped a tooth? Have you ever gone skydiving? Have you ever been caught sneaking into the movie theater? Have you ever built a tree house? Have you ever broken a bone? Have you ever gotten into a fist fight? Thank you so much.